Hey guys, hi, good evening or good afternoon, and welcome once again to Weekly Showcase, another episode of Weekly Showcase. I have with me Namita. Hi, Namita.
Hey Akshay.
Hi, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thanks. How are
Hi,
you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. And Namita is a joint winner of the Amazon Pay Challenge, which was a very pretty difficult challenge because it had a lot of elements around market share, which is not necessarily product, around trying to reduce that market share, ensuring that the product change happens within a month. A lot of interesting things in the problem channel. I'll come to that later. But before that, I'd love to know a little bit more about Namita. So, Namita, who are you? Where you based? What do you do? And your interests in this challenge, in Amazon Pay challenge. I mean, everybody's always interested in Amazon Pay, but your interest specifically.
Yeah, sure. So I'm from Hubli, Karnataka,
Okay.
and I recently graduated in computer science engineering. So I graduated in 2020.
Okay.
So and I'm working as a software engineer in Bosch.
Oh, nice.
And okay, yeah.
That's great.
So
That's great.
my
And Amazon
Mhm.
Pay, what's the
Amazon, yeah. So yeah, definitely. I think I had never heard of Amazon Pay before the challenge.
Wow,
Like
this
it
is
is, yeah.
fantastic. So, chalo, Amazon Pay, if anybody from Amazon even
Mhm.
listens to this, they know ki people in this segment aren't even aware of Amazon Pay. We'll come to the deeper problems, but yeah, carry on. You weren't even
Yeah.
aware of it,
So
but
yes, but yeah. So once the challenge started, like I scrolled into the like I thought maybe there's an app or something like Amazon
yeah,
Pay.
that's true.
Then yeah, then I didn't find anything. So I just went to the Amazon shopping app.
Hmm.
So I found it there after multiple clicks that too. Like it
Yeah.
wasn't in the home screen, but
Can I?
now last when I checked, it's
It's
there
there.
in the home screen.
Oh, is
Yeah,
it
it's
there? I would love to check it out. Not a regular user, so I don't know. I'll definitely check it out
okay.
after this. But can I hazard a guess? And are you a Google Pay user?
Yes, yeah.
So
Google
that
Pay and even Phone Pay.
even phone pay, chalo. So that kind of
Yeah.
sets the tone for the challenge more than anything else. Is that there is this and for those who are checking this out for the first time, I love to show the challenge. The problem it's not a problem, but the thing is, Amazon is this player who is an e-com, right? It's not known to people that they are a payments company, but it has a large payments business, and they are spending a lot of money in terms of doing the tie-ups with businesses, just as a lot of wallet companies used to do. So it is like a wallet, but in India, we all know what has happened to wallets. The biggest wallet player is pretty insignificant in the wallet space. Wallets are insignificant. What is the trend is UPI, and the way things are going, UPI is becoming even bigger. The pie, so to speak. So the part where we are talking about gain market share is both ways. It's not just market share within what existing pie, but can you increase the pie? Amazon is doing increasing the pie business, insurance, etc., etc. But within that pie, what can it do in terms of product improvement? And one important part was you have to make the changes in the product within a period of 1 month. So something that you do has to show results in a month and not 6 months. So Namita, your thoughts on the challenge and your solution specifically and what you targeted. I'll just share the main part that was very interesting for me is this the market position we discussed, but the leverage of Prime. Talk me through this. Where did this thought process come from? Because you were the only one who talked about
Mhm.
this, which we had a lot of submissions in this, but you're the only one who focused on this part.
Yeah, so as it was aimed on quick win, right? So
Yeah.
gaining market share in just 1 month.
Yeah.
So since I asked my friends around, like, does anyone else use Amazon Pay? And like many people were not even aware of it,
Hmm.
but a lot of them use Prime. Like almost everyone uses Prime now. And since I think the launch of Prime Video and like the movies were
Series.
launched in
Yeah,
that
lots of series and
eventually,
movies. Yeah.
yeah, right now. So I think a lot of Prime users. So if Amazon has that in its suite of applications,
Hmm.
then why can't it
They should.
leverage the same, right?
Which is very
So
interesting and unintuitive when you think about Amazon as a company, right? They know what their customers need, and yet there is this space where there's a large, I don't know the percentage in US, though I do know the percentage. 85% of households in US have an Amazon Prime account. That is huge. And in
okay,
India, we don't know
yeah.
the number. In urban, I'm sure urban centers, it is not that big a number, but I would hazard 50% would have, and very few would. So that's a great idea. That leverage the avoid the cash burn, as you're saying, leverage Prime, get it
Mhm.
out to there. Are you a Prime user as well?
Yeah.
And did you feel that, okay, so one is that, you get Prime users to use it, but the other part that you were also talking about was the other properties, right? The market position that they have, and how it plays in. Can you explain this, what you're trying to say here?
So yeah, so here it is like they have so many things, right? They have this Amazon e-commerce site, and they have this Kindle as well.
Yeah.
So where users can transact. So they can transact using Amazon Pay on all these, and maybe they can use Amazon Pay for other applications as well.
Yeah.
And Prime also, like Prime membership is only valid for like watching Prime Video and getting like one day delivery or faster delivery and free delivery on Amazon e-commerce platform.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think its usage, or I can say it's leveraged to a minimum extent. So maybe they can extend it.
Which is the part you're saying, where you don't give cash, but you give some points, and those points then
Mhm.
can be used across those properties, right?
Yeah.
Isn't it? That's where we were headed to.
Yes. So so we used to use payment app because we used to get cashbacks, right? So
Yeah, which
like
you've mentioned here. Which you've
I
mentioned
started using it that. Yeah,
Yeah.
I started using payments because like my friends used to say, I use Google Pay or Phone Pay. Like you have a scratch card, you'll get 5 rupees, 10 rupees
5 rupees, 10
cashback,
rupees.
or so. And even the Diwali stamp, Google Pay, that Diwali
Very
stamp, it
popular.
was
Yeah.
pretty popular. Yeah, but I think it causes like major cash burn for the companies as well if they do this. So
Hmm.
I think Amazon can leverage its existing market position
Hmm.
to give rewards instead of cashback through the Prime membership, I think.
Very interesting. And the interesting part here is that this is not necessarily a product solution. It is like a mix of marketing solution. It's a mix of understanding where Amazon is in the market in general. And that is fantastic. That is the point we actually like, because it was not a traditional, so most people suggested that, you fix where it is, you create the hooks, which are, I guess, hygiene, which they have to do. But that in itself is not going to solve the problem for them, because they already have some leverage which you need to use. That's great to hear. Now, coming from there to, about UX Hack and how you discovered us, so you are a regular observer, I would say. You participate from time to time, but your understanding of UX Hack and how did you come to know about us, I would love to know.
Yeah. So I found UX Hack on LinkedIn. So
Okay.
it was Ludo challenge that time. So when I found out,
Nice.
so I was playing Ludo a lot with my
Yeah,
friends actually.
that time we were all
And
playing Ludo. Now I don't know if anybody's
yeah,
playing Ludo or not. I'm so not playing, been a while, but yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
So since I was using it a lot, I thought maybe I'll give this challenge a try.
Okay.
So, and once I started using, like once I gave that challenge a try, so I thought like maybe I should um, get into solving more challenges and all of that. So
Fair
for
enough. And
different
how
apps.
how has your experience been? Honest feedback. You don't need to say good things. You can say bad things. How has
Yeah.
your experience
So
been?
yeah, definitely, yeah. So since I don't come, I'm a student, right? I'm a beginner.
Yeah.
And there are very experienced people as well who have worked in UI space also, and who are into product management as well.
Yeah.
So we gain great insights from the WhatsApp
Yeah.
discussions actually,
Yeah.
like more
So the
than taking
winner,
part in the
just to
challenge.
interrupt
Yeah.
you there. So the other winner, so she's a joint winner. The other winner is somebody who's got almost 9 years of experience, Smita, and 5 years of UX experience. So that shows you the variance, absolute fresher.
Yeah.
And I'm sure we don't enable those conversations too much. Maybe, that one-on-one where you can directly interact with the person. I'm sure that would gain. But yeah, fair point. You were at WhatsApp conversations. Go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah. So the WhatsApp conversations, like they are the important point, I think, more than
Okay. Solving.
participating in the challenge. Like
Okay.
we get more insights there. So
Chalo,
like
feedback
different
taken. I had backed off on the WhatsApp conversation, imagining that people might get a little disturbed. I used to love it, but the thing is,
Mhm.
everyone has their own. But okay, more of WhatsApp conversations will be coming through for sure.
Yes. And also after the challenge, like we discussed, like if there is any improvement in the
Yeah,
product,
yeah.
like yeah, Twitter fleets,
Staying in
I
the
can
news.
say.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, there are products which move fast, and it's worth discussing. But
Hmm.
Amazon moves slow. But yeah, let's see if these guys have made any changes. I would love to share it on the group once again. And it's been a
Hmm.
pleasure talking to you, Namita. Quick brisk chat. and all the best with your endeavor. Thank you so much. Congratulations once again. And it's been a pleasure speaking to you this Sunday. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.